Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iPhone not charging issue on your iPhone after iOS 17.5 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that your charging plug point is clean. So guys, take a brush and clean your charging point, and after that you have to make sure that your charger or your power cable is not damaged, it is working properly. If your charger or your power cable is damaged, then you have to change your power adapter and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings, scroll to below, then tap on general and tap on background and app refresh. So guys, you have to just simply turn off background app refresh, and after that go back, then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.